So today we'll be making banana bread. This is a special kind of banana bread, and then I made this particularly for my work colleague, but of course I had my own bite of it, and then it was so fluffy, you could see in the video. So first thing first, we'll use a banana that is about 80% ripe, so that is getting almost black. This is the kind of perfect banana you would like to use. So in this particular recipe I used 3, depending on the availability of banana in your area or how well you want the banana taste to come in. So I used 3, then I mashed it with my masher, potato masher, but you could also use some fork if that's what is readily available for you. So then I pop in 2 eggs. So in my video I can always give you alternatives for your recipes. You could use 1. So I think banana bread is kind of one of the most flexible recipes you could ever make with your own taste. So all these measurements will be written in the description, and then I will also try to write some on the screen. So I added cinnamon powder, I added salt, brown sugar, and some white sugar because I just add like mixtures. So I mixed everything up together. After everything, you can see the texture, then I whisk it with my whisker just to make it fluffy and evenly distributed. So after doing this for a while, I sieved my flour, so all-purpose flour to be precise. So after sieving this, I realized that the result was going to make sense. So try to sieve your flour if you can, because it's going to make your recipe fluffy, and not just for the banana bread, for any kind of pastry you are making. So I mix this up until it is evenly distributed, also evenly mixed. So I went on to adding the batter into the well-oiled pan. You could put some paper in the pan without oiling, or you could put some oil with some brush. So then I add some leftover cashew nuts, which was really helpful in this recipe. So I added it, and then the results came out mad and then very good. So I allowed this to be done. So the middle was almost done, so I allow it to be done. Then this is the final product. Although at some point I still had to make sure that everything was dried up, and then this is our banana bread. So this was done at 160 degrees for about 45 minutes. So after doing this is the final result, and then it came well and better. So I would love you to try this recipe. Try to like, comment, and share. Then you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Diaryofacookbook. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you come back soon for more videos. You can see how the more this is. Thank you, and bye.